I started customizing my own motorcycle in the late 90s. People would come up to me, "Oh, who did your motorcycle?" I said, "I did." And somebody else would say, "Well, can you do mine?" Hi, my name is John Cosentini, Motorcycle Enhancements. Yeah, when I came up with this idea, my family thought I was a little crazy. It's not going to fly, or it's not going to work. My ex-wife says, "You're going to do this part-time, right? You're going to get yourself a real job." But I continued doing this job, and now I've been at it for 17 years. I wanted something different. I wanted something unique. So when I see something, it clicks in my head and I repurpose it. So I can show the world that we can do basically anything with anything. The steampunk rat bike took us about 4 months to build, and that was also a ground up build. It took 4 months because we were looking for parts and either in flea markets or automotive scrap yards, and then the frame was very unique design with the truss welded up. Yeah, we built it out of 1941 Chevy headlight. We put in a steam whistle that we totally fabricated from scratch. We used a hand grenade as the handle for the shifter, connected to a ratchet, connected to a connecting rod, connected it to a cam chain from a Suzuki, and we made it all work together. The bullet is a 50 caliber, and I can activate it like this. And my turn signals, the gas cap, which I fabricated, and it's an upside down piston, and this comes over, and it's called over center cam lock. An airbag in the front, airbag in the rear, and I can activate this both together. And I need it to be original. I need it to be different than everybody else. The wrenches here hold up the intake manifold, and it's a crisscross. These are my dad's old tools, which I inherited when he passed away. My father used to be in the Army. I think he's ridden a motorcycle. He was a handyman. I learned a lot from my dad. I actually have some of his tools on this motorcycle, and these are some of my dad's tools that I inherited when he passed away. So this is, in a way, it's a big way for me to remember him. Originally, my father bought these when he went down to Mexico. I keep them to remind me of him, but at one point I mounted these on the front of the motorcycle, like this. This is a cool set of steampunk glasses. Like at flea markets, you find all kinds of, not garbage, but collector items that I look at it a different way. I look at it, where can I use this on a motorcycle? You know, and how can I make it function? I can make it come over here and then weld a piece this way. The handlebar is here, so the foot is going to be here. Or maybe down here. So I can probably put this over here. I tell people I get the best job in the world. I get to play on everybody's toys, right? And the motorcycles are basically a toy for everybody. So yeah, it's fun to do this kind of job. 5-star rated shop on Google, which is great. Motorcycles are things that people want. They don't necessarily need, but they want it. They want it because they need to fulfill a sense of freedom in life. The exhilaration, the thrill, the wind in their hair. It's just an awesome feeling when you accelerate and shift through the gears. You leave all your troubles behind. It is very satisfying. Just amazing world. I still like to continue making people happy and making people's dreams come true.